Well, I'm here with Dick, and happy Monday to you, sir.
Thank you.
First of all, I want to thank you for being you, and thank you very much for your service.
Thank you.
So, I'm here to do your headlights, or I finished doing your headlights. Please tell me more about yourself.
Well, let's see. I just turned 86 after 25 years in the Navy, and I had a great career flying F-4s off the Enterprise. Was a graduate of Top Gun school, and these lights have been a source of reckoning for me for the last year. I tried to do it myself, was unsuccessful, didn't even get a good start, but Awesome showed up, and boy, they out here working their tails off. Looks like they've done a great job.
Thank you. All right, so you ready to see your awesome headlights, sir?
I'm ready.
Ready to see your sort of new headlights?
Yeah.
Which are, what did we say, 14 years?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Oh boy, nice job. Nice job. Wow. What a difference.
Yeah. There's some stuff on the inside, little bug collections there, but yeah. I mean, what do you expect? They're 14 years old, so.
Yeah, that's right. They didn't get replaced when I hit the deer.
Yeah, and you said that was a what point?
It's a 6 point, but it was a big one.
So that's, I'm not a hunter, so that means
about like 200 pounds of deer. I was doing about 70 miles an hour, and he came out in front of me, and I
met the truck.
Yeah, we introduced each
other.
You
introduced him to the Ram.
That's right.
Ram versus buck.
Deer. Yeah, Ram versus buck. That's good. I like that.
I do like that. I just
yeah.
Wow. I think these will definitely be safer for you at night. Definitely a nice difference.
Well, I've been having to drive my bright lights on because I just couldn't see.
Yeah. Well, I just fixed that for you, I hope. I'm pretty sure. So
I think you did.
Yeah. My gratitude is with you, and I've got the coating already on there.
Yep. And
manufacturer says it's lasts up to a year, so you shouldn't have any more cloudiness or degrading. I mean, I know they've been
I think they'll be fine now.
Yeah, definitely. So I just wanted to be safer for you, and it's such a beautiful truck. You said this is a
2000?
A 9?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's, and you said how many miles on it?
186,000.
Wow. All right, well, that's what I have, so.
Well, I appreciate you coming out, guy. You have responded just perfectly.
Thank you.
And promptly.
Thank you. Well, it was fun. Today was beautiful, and I'm the one that should be honored. So
you did a good job.
I will go ahead and sign off for now, and that's what we got. So
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.